Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. Today I am going to be doing a wandering straight pour. I'm going to be using 3 different TLP, This Little Piggy Pigments, and 2 of them I have not even used before, so this is going to be a huge experiment. So before I get you down on the canvas, I wanted to remind everyone, if you're interested in going to the Fluid Art Boutique, please sign up for classes. I will link that website below in my description box. If you're interested in learning from Mina, from Sarah, from Karen, from Kathleen, those 4 ladies are going to be in Sterling, Virginia, right outside of DC, May 3rd, 4th, and 5th. I will be going, so if you are going, I would love to meet you guys there. So if you plan on going, don't forget, get registered as soon as possible before all the slots fill up. Also, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're going to go. I'd be very happy to meet everyone. So, all right, so let's get you down on the canvas. We'll talk about the colors. I'll be right back. Okay, what I've got is a 20 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. I have taped and push pinned on the back. I have painted my edges with the one of my colors that I'm going to use. It's the Payne's Gray from Creative Inspirations. I'm going to need about 18 ounces of paint to cover this canvas. I might even leave some negative space. We shall see. However, I don't have any 20-ounce cups, so I'm going to use a plastic cup that came from a fast food restaurant. I need to get some 20-ounce cups. I need to get a lot of stuff. So, anyways, the colors that I'm using today are the Creative Inspiration in the Payne's Gray, Winsor & Newton in Primary Magenta. I am using TLP in the Indigo Waves, Nebula, and Constellation. I'm also using 24 karat gold, and I'm using Amsterdam's Titanium White, and I gave a little dip. I just got this from the store today. It's the Iridescent Pearl Fine from Golden. So I mixed that in with the white, so I'm hoping that's going to give me some pearl effect when this dries. Since I'm using TLPs and I'm mixing them in with the paints, I used a mixed pour. So I put a little rubbing alcohol in the bottom of a cup. Then I put a couple of scoops of the TLP pigments, mixed in with a little bit of mix, and then topped it all off with more mix. So my consistency, it's making a mound and sinking right into itself. It's not super thick. Okay, so let me get canvas out of the way and I'll start filling up this giant cup. Okay, so let's start off with a little Payne's Gray. And the Primary Magenta. Indigo Waves. White. Some of the Nebula. Just a little white. Separate that Nebula from the gold. Squirt of white again. In the purple. Let's do that all over again. All right. All right, I'm gonna pour some paint here. Give this a torch. All right, I'm gonna start down here in the left-hand corner, bottom left corner, and pour this way. A lot of paint on here, but that's okay. Now as we sit here, this stuff is really starting to sell up. See some white cells and stuff really popping through here. All right. Really love this, guys. Wow. Okay, I am going to clean up these edges and torch, and then I'll bring you guys in. All right, here it is. I love this so much. This is just gorgeous. Let me start you up here in the top left. I am so pleased. Let me let you see this dry. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here's the dried result. It's actually still wet, so I am gonna do this fairly quickly, but I love the composition of this. It came out so beautiful. And I think that iridescent by golden is really making this white stand out. It's giving this like cloudy effect. It's so pretty. Plus with the lines of mix really helped out. Thanks for tuning in for today's video. I really appreciate everyone's support. I'm not sure who's going to be after me. It's either going to be Gina DeLuca or Dominic Sherrill, so check out their channels. All right, everyone, I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.